Hi, I'm presenting a very simple application to draw fractals from its L system description. To use this program, you need to run this Python program, and you have to provide the axiom, rules, and angles required for your fractals, and you also have to provide the length of the side and the number of iterations you want to draw the fractals. Then you simply click the draw button and the application will draw the fractals. If you want to increase the length of the side, simply change the side length and click draw again. The application will draw the same fractals with increased side length. If you want to draw more complex fractals, then all you need to have is the rules axioms of that fractals, and simply paste the axioms and the rules of that particular fractals into the required fields. For example, here I am using the formulas for piano Gasper curve, and simply hit the draw button. It will draw the piano Gasper curve for you. Thank you.